Yesterday we talked about present and past conditional sentences. Today we are going to talk about future conditional sentences. Here are some examples. यदि मेरे पास पैसे होंगे तो मैं तुम्हें दे दूंगी. यदि वो खेलेगा तो मैं भी खेलूंगी. जितना ज्यादा तुम पसीना बहाओगे उतना ही ज्यादा अच्छा होगा. जब तक वो नहीं कहेगा मैं उसका पता नहीं दूंगी. Let's understand some structures for such types of sentences one by one. If somebody has or have something, somebody will action or will not action. This structure tells अगर first part में किसी के पास कुछ होगा तो second part में वो action करेगा या नहीं करेगा. We know very well have will be used with we, you and they, and has will be used with singular third person like he, she or name of anything. Let's take some examples. यदि मेरे पास पैसे होंगे तो मैं तुम्हें दे दूंगी. As per structure, please say here, if I have money, I will give you. यदि तुम्हारे पास पैसे होंगे तो मैं नहीं लूंगी. If you have money, I will not take. यदि उसके पास समय होगा तो वो मिलने आएगा. Please say here, if he has time, he will come to me. Now I'm showing one more structure for future condition. If somebody, action or actions, somebody will action or will not action. According to this structure, अगर first part में कोई action करेगा तो second part में कोई action करेगा या नहीं करेगा. We know very well that action will be used with I, we, you, they, and actions will be used with singular third person like he, she, or name of anything. Here are a couple of examples. यदि वो खेलेगा तो मैं भी खेलूंगी. If he plays, I will also play. If somebody is he, so we have used plays. यदि तुम बुलाओगे तो हम नहीं आएंगे. If you call, we will not come. No problem, I'm joking. यदि तुम बुलाओगे तो हम जरूर आएंगे. If you call, we will come definitely. Let's understand another structure for future sentences. More somebody action or actions, more will be something. This structure says अगर first part में कोई जितना ज़्यादा action करेगा, second part में उतना ही ज़्यादा कुछ होगा. Here are a couple of examples. जितना ज़्यादा तुम पसीना बहाओगे उतना ही ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा. Here पसीना बहाना means sweat. The more you sweat, more will be good. जितना ज़्यादा वो समय बर्बाद करेगा उतना ही ज़्यादा बुरा होगा. More he wastes time, more will be bad. Let's understand one more future conditional sentence. Until somebody action or actions, somebody will action or will not action. This structure says अगर first part में जब तक कोई कुछ action नहीं करेगा, second part में कोई action करेगा या नहीं करेगा. Here are some examples. जब तक वो नहीं कहेगा, मैं उसका पता नहीं दूंगा. Until he says, I will not give his address. जब तक तुम सच नहीं बोलोगे, मैं तुम्हें नहीं माफ करूंगी. Until you speak the truth, I will not forgive you. जब तक भगवान प्रकट नहीं होंगे, वो उपवास रखेगी. Until God appears, she will keep fast. Hey guys, let's learn some daily use sentences in the next section now. कई बार हम किसी की तरफ इशारा करके पूछते हैं, वह तुम्हारी जैसी दिखती है. She looks like you. वो तुम्हारी क्या लगती है? What is she to you? तुम उसके क्या लगते हो? What are you to her? और अगर आपको कहना हो, मैं उसकी कुछ नहीं लगती. I'm nothing to her. अगर आपको किसी के बारे में कहना हो, वो मेरे दूर के रिश्तेदार हैं. Please say here, he is my distant relative. Let's learn some words for a person in next section. Here are some well-known words used for relations in a family. लेकिन ये सभी किसी न किसी कारण से किसी के लिए सौतेले भी बन जाते हैं. We have a word for that situation, step. Now here are new words for a person. Here is one more related word, sotan. It means co-wife. Guys, now I'm going to tell you two important words for a family. First is purvaj या पितृ, which means ancestor. Guys, हमें पूर्वजों का सम्मान करना चाहिए. Yes, we must respect our ancestors. And second most important word is varis or uttaradhikari, which means heir. So H is silent here. केवल घर का मुखिया वारिस चुन सकता है. Only head of the family can choose heir. दोस्तों, एक परिवार में कुछ इंसान ऐसे भी होते हैं जिनका एक ही काम होता है लगातार झगड़ना. Let's go to the next section to learn an idiom. Fight like cat and dog. पिछले वीक ही मेरी सहेली की शादी हुई थी. शादी के बाद वे दोनों लगातार झगड़ते रहते हैं. I mean, they are fighting like cat and dog after marriage. Let's do practice in the next section. Please pause the video and speak these Hindi lines in English. Thank you guys. Have a nice time.